Welcome to Onsurity, your partner in smarter healthcare. Want to protect your loved ones with Onsurity? Let me show you how to add family members or increase your own coverage. First, download and open the Onsurity app on your phone. Log in using your registered mobile number. You'll receive an OTP to confirm your login. From the home screen, look for the section called Protect Your Loved Ones and tap on it. You'll be taken to the Buy for Your Family page. Here, you can add your siblings, parents, spouse, and in-laws. You'll also see a section called Self, where you can choose to increase your own plan's coverage. Once you choose the member you want to add, fill in these details: full name, date of birth, membership type. Scroll down to read the membership details. If you're unsure which plan to pick, call the number on your screen and our team will help you. After selecting the right plan, tap on Buy. You'll be redirected to the checkout page where you can see a detailed breakdown of the bill. Now, choose the payment option that works best for you, and that's it. For hospitalization, coverage, and claims related queries, contact us at gooddoctors@onsurity.com or scan the QR code displayed on the screen.